You've probably heard safety first 1,000 times. But today, safety isn't just a phrase, it's becoming technology. In 2026, motorcycle protection is more than just adding more stuff. It's about smarter designs, better materials, and real-world performance. This is Axor's take on the future of riding gear tech. For years, motorcycle protection worked on a single rule. Stronger shells and thicker padding meant higher ratings. And that all is still true. But the future is moving beyond just strength. It's moving towards intelligence and adaptability. Technology that works with the rider, not around them. Let's start with intelligence. The Axor Altos smart helmet represents a shift in how helmets interact with riders. Literally. Smart features are being used to support rider focus, improve communication, and take the load off for the riders. Now let's talk materials. The Axor MX Carbon off-road helmet shows where material science is headed. Now, carbon composition is not just about being lightweight. It's about strength where it matters and flexibility where it helps. It's about being dynamic and not rigid. That's where real-world testing matters, not just lab numbers. All future gear must meet one requirement, and it's simple. It should work on real roads. Now that means heat management in traffic, ventilation at high speeds, and stability that does not change. Because protection does not matter only in the impact moments. It's about staying alert throughout and being in control. From 2026, protection won't exist in isolation. Smart helmets, advanced materials, and ergonomic designs will all work together as one system. Because the goal is to make gear feel effortless, not technical. Because protection works best when you're not thinking about it. And that's when riding feels free. From smart helmets like Altor to advanced materials like MX Carbon to rider-focused designs like Brutale. At Axor, we're building something that the riders can actually use. The next generation of motorcycle protection won't just protect you better. It will ride better with you. Less fatigue, less distractions, and more confidence. Now that's what the future of riding gear truly looks like.